Most people losing money on Polymarket aren't losing because the platform is rigged. They're losing because they're trading markets they don't understand. Both better come in and bet on sports. Crypto guys bet on crypto prices. And they're competing against people who know that specific market way better than they do. Your edge on Polymarket isn't about being a good trader. It's about knowing something, having something that other people don't. This video walks through how to find that edge, which categories are worth your time, which ones are basically gambling in disguise, and how insiders work on this platform so you know what you're actually up against. Now, how do you actually start making money? The big buck. If you don't already have a couple ideas popping in your head, this is a small guy. So, one of the key takeaways I want you to take from this video, keyword here is understanding. Your level at which you understand is what decides how much money you'll make and how much money you'll lose. We have a ton of different topics to choose from. Stick with the topic that you understand the most, where you can have an edge. If you understand sports, then stick with sports. Although I will say that sports is one of the worst categories you could choose from. Nobody even knows the outcome. So your edge here is pretty small. Sports is probably not the best idea, and where you're the closest to gambling. Although at the end of the day, everything is gambling. Just keep that in mind though. But the thing is, you could have an edge when you're gambling with other types of markets. And yeah, that is another thing. You can track insiders in a lot of these markets.